Hey guys, this video is a bit different than our regular videos. In this video we present you Disney's Magical Fireworks Festival, the Frozen edition. It was performed over Lake Disney in Disney Village at Disneyland Paris. This fireworks show was exclusive for January 24, 27 and 29, 2020 and it will therefore not return. The fireworks show became extra special because the first show on January 24 was barely visible due to fog, and the second show on January 27 lost its magic due to a very strong wind. On the last evening that the show was performed, January 29th, the weather was fortunately perfect and the most iconic scenes from Frozen came alive above Lake Disney. We were there and filmed this beautiful Frozen fireworks show for you to enjoy just as much as we did. We hope that you will like it.
Okay, we're now waiting for the fireworks show to begin here at Lake Disney. And as you may see, the crowds are getting very large over here. I was here more than an hour before the show starts, so it starts at 8:30. I was here at 7:15. All the way to Newport Bay. And look at these lucky cast members. Front row, no obstruction. But they're obstructing the gimbal just a little bit. So we're gonna keep this one for the fireworks up high and let's see what we can film.
Alors que le spectacle commence. J'adore cette chanson.
Well guys, we hope that you liked this Disney's Magical Fireworks Festival, the Frozen edition. We hope that you liked this episode, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and don't forget to find us on social media. Next time you can expect one of our usual videos like the ones that you are used to, so don't forget to watch that video as well. Well guys, we wish you an amazing day and maybe next time we'll see you in Main Street. Bye!